It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high.
What's up, it's me, Sheena, back with another video. Today is going to be on a Valentine's Day look with mainly drugstore products. So yeah, it's a walkthrough. I'm just going to get started. First, I'm going to moisturize my skin with the Garnier Hydrating 3-in-1 moisturizer. This is the best stuff ever, and it's cheap. It's drugstore, so I got it at Walmart. I always moisturize my face before I do my makeup. My eyebrows are already done. I did something natural. Sorry, Deja. Don't hate me. I'm going to do an eyebrow tutorial soon. I'm going to start off with the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. I'm just set my face before I start my makeup. Whew, I did a little bit too much. I got my natural hair out today. It's crazy. I just got out the shower and it's this big, but I'm just gonna put all that behind me. I'm gonna go in with the Milani 2-in-1 foundation in my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I already have it on my hand, so I'm just gonna dab it on my face. So I put my hair up. My hair was doing too much. It was doing too much. I'm going to try to put the prices of everything down in the description, or maybe on the screen, I don't know. Depends on how I'm feeling when I'm editing. But this foundation is so good. It's like, it says 2-in-1. It's a medium to full coverage. It's lightweight, oil-free. I used to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but I like this one better. I need some more of it. After that, we're gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It has a little applicator on the end of it, but I like to put it on my hand. And I like to dab it into my skin with my finger first. And then I need some more. I need more. You know the deal. You already know the deal. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender again and just buff it out. I have to wipe my lips, I look crazy. Anyways, after that, we're gonna set our face with the Airspun loose face powder. This is drugstore, but I use it all the time. I use it all the time. This is why I don't do voiceovers, because I can't pay attention, I can't concentrate, I can't talk at the same time as I'm doing my makeup, but it's okay. I dust some off. Set under my eyes. And my eyelids. Just around my face. And that's it. I'm joking. Next, I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow. I'm using Burnt Orange in the Modern Renaissance palette. I know I said mainly drugstore. This is the only thing that I'm using that's not gonna be drugstore. I'm sorry, I'm fake. I'm gonna go in my crease and just blend that out. Now we're gonna use a little bit of Love Letter, just a little bit, and then we're gonna put that, oh shoot, we're gonna put that deep into the crease and blend it up with the previous color on each side. I'm going to take a little bit of that concealer again, and I'm going to just dab it in the front for not a cut crease, but just to let that, we're going to put a light eyeshadow right there. So for the light eyeshadow to show up, we're going to put a little bit of the concealer in the front. I just use my finger, honestly. Then we're gonna go in with the Vermeer. It's called Vermeer. I'm gonna go back in with the Love Letter and just blend around it again, just to make sure it's blended. That's it for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and we're gonna do, how I do my eyeliner is I open my eyes and look forward. I go to the very end of my eye and just draw a straight line. After that, I connect the line and bring it straight back towards my eyelid. Then I fill the inside of that. And then I fix my line just a little bit if I want it out more. And that's it. For lashes, I'm going to use the Vegas Nay lashes in Shiningstar. Shiningstar. I use these already. It comes with a little glue at the top. Now I'm going to contour with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Espresso. I put some on already. I'm just going to put a little bit on, just a little bit on my forehead. My forehead's dark, so it just blends in with that. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend it out. Now I'm gonna go back into my eyes with the color Love Letter, that pink we used. I'm just gonna go under my waterline and just blend that out. I know I do stuff out of order, but a lot of people do. I guess it just fits. Just whatever fits with you and what you like to do. Sometimes I do my foundation first, sometimes I do my eyeshadow first. It just depends. After that, I'm gonna take my Maybelline eyeliner. Just put some just on the outer corner actually. I'm not gonna go all the way in. After that, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara. I actually like this stuff so much. It's in Very Black, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Master Fix. I'm gonna spray my Real Techniques brush. And I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This highlighter is so pretty. Just put that on. I barely put any on. You see it? It's so pretty. I'm gonna put it everywhere. Everywhere. I'm gonna take my pinky, put the same highlighter on in the corner of my eye. I use my pinky because my other fingers are too big. And then, ooh, I'm highlighted. My camera died, but I'm back now. I'm going to use the NYX Nude Truffle Lip Liner. I use this all the time. Fill my lips in. Then I take my Vivid Hot Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquers. These are so good. I love this. I just got it and I've been using it every day since because I'm extra. It is in the color Unreal. I can't see. Yeah, this is so freaking cute. I can't even. And it's only $7 hairs. Put that in. That's it. I lied. That's not it. I use the Maybelline Master Fix again and I spray my face to set it. Let me take my hair down again now. Ooh, it's crazy. Let's see. Okay. See, I told you it got bigger. And I got a crink in it. Anyways, that's it for my makeup tutorial. My Valentine's Day makeup tutorial with mainly drugstore products. I hope you liked it. I'll try to leave all the prices and the stuff down below. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment.